You know about that good jelly, boy.
I tell you, people, good pumpkin. 10 out of 10. Gotcha. I'm in group 6. Yeah, I bought the cheapest flight.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom, people. Gotta take it in. Take it in, Lando. Gotta take it in the Jamaican air. Last morning, people, gotta go to the airport. All right, live right there, so. See, coconut from the backyard. I was just put the coconut. Last day, gotta catch that flight in about 3 hours. So yeah, last one. Maybe people don't wake it. My cousin's house. I don't care. What their bed? Take my shoes off. Yeah, sure, I sleep so late.
The concrete come out with it.
Backyard. It look like over here doing it.
I want you in there. Right, put on the boot and go there, so. I'm going to go there, 2 black one behind the 2 of them over there.
I told him to look.
It's look fun. And I mean, other one there, and I mean.
In the backyard, people.
So we have to.
Yeah. She just wake. She in her bed. Yeah.
You know about that good jelly, boy.
Backyard food is people. Spoon come off the coconut. A good jelly. When I'm in America, I go to the market, the farmer's market, and buy jelly. It's crazy. Yes, sir. I gotta go check my grandma too. You gotta go see. Well, holla at her. Y'all know my grandma passed away like 2 years ago. But she's buried in our property. So every time I get here, I'll make sure I go have a moment with her. Well, not her. She's not here. She's not here. We know that. Where we rested her body back to the earth. Right? She's not even aware. See, I cut that out. But for me, made me feel a little bad, just reminisce a little bit. I mean, people, this is why I love coming home. I was supposed to be going to the airport. I still got about an hour. Look at this, my coconut from the backyard. From the backyard. You want sugar cane? Backyard. I think that's a plantain tree right there. Backyard, it's a banana tree right there too. Everything's back there. Aki tree back there. Listen, man. Should I eat this now? I think I should eat this now. Somebody go back to America after that. This is a lot healthier. Ain't no pesticide, none of that stuff on this. Yeah, man. I'll be back real soon. Y'all know. I might be back next month. Hey, man. Study shows that you need a vacation every 2 months. You are as hard you work in America. I don't know. I saw it on social media. So I'm going to go with that. I believe that now. So I need a vacation at least every 2 months. The air is clean. We're in the country part, so we ain't even in the city. The air is way cleaner. Breathing. Spring. It's a spring like somewhere over there. You know what I'm saying? We're good, man. We can survive, man. Shalom.
Born Jamaican, my culture loud, country vibe strong, my spirit proud. From Hanover to Kingston crowd.
That's crazy.
Try fit back perfect.
Yeah, probably just add some cement to it. Joints! I tell you people, good pumpkin. Blessings. You need no picture right now. You can't make it down there right now. On a tree. Time to go, people. Time to go. You ready? See you later. Country life, you know. Country life. Time to go.
Card is not inserted.
This is the thing about Jamaica, people. A lot of the cars are in Chinese. I don't know. This is my dad's car. I don't even know how to put it to English. I need to figure it out. But everything up here being... Somebody translate this for me. Translate that. But down here is English, though. But up here... I don't know. What the heck? Yep, headed to the airport, people. The trip was short, but I definitely enjoyed every moment of it. I will be back soon. We know that, right? We know I look for a reason to come back to Jamaica every chance I get. I'll tell you something, people. There's something about Jamaica. It's a certain peace that it gives you that nowhere else can give you. So therefore, I have to come back and get that peace. If they tell me the ocean is blue or the water is wet in Jamaica, I will be back. So if somebody put that in the comment right now, I'll be back real soon. I look for any reason to go to Jamaica, man. I definitely enjoyed my trip. You know, definitely enjoyed my trip. Jamaica, soon forward, you know. Look forward for me. All right, people. We're here. No check bags. No check bags. Just book bag. Quick trip, right? All right, people. We are checked in. We checked in. I'm hungry though. Haven't eaten anything at all. So I'm about to go find me something to eat. And my homeboy told me to bring back like 6 bottles of Magnum. I already got enough bags. Andre, you might not get your Magnum, yo. I'm already looking crazy. I don't know if I'm having no space to be holding something. But I don't have any check bags. So that's what we're doing. I'm about to go find some food. And after I eat, we see how I feel about that, buying that Magnum. All right? I'm hungry though. I think this is where we're going. Hello, how you doing?
Hello.
I'm hungry.
Hungry?
Hungry. Want some food to eat right now. Where are the Jamaican dishes?
Everything that Jamaican dishes are bird.
All right, I'm selling out. Jamaican Bobsled Cafe. Selling out. The food look good, but they don't have nothing for me. Looks good. No, none of that for me, people. No seafood at all. I guess I gotta go to Bob Marley. I want some food. I said Bob Marley, people. Hello. How you doing? Take a picture. We got up on YouTube now.
We get up on vlog?
Yeah, you listen to it.
Like we are live,
I'm not live.
but you are sitting there.
Yes.
We look good. Click we out and tell us you meet two nice ladies. But
People, I just met two nice ladies working at Bob Marley. All right. I'm hungry.
alright.
Hungry.
You wanna see?
Yeah. Have time. All right, time to see what Bob Marley wants to offer people. I ate here once before, but I don't remember. I think that's when they first opened. So, I got it upside down. What we have here? We don't want no drink, no drinks. All right, people. We know I wanted some Jamaican food. The only Jamaican things I see is like jerk. I wanted some ackee and saltfish. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. And I don't see that. Come on, Bob, but I'm hungry. I'm hungry. The tropical fruit platter, naked Cobb salad, quinoa kale and callaloo salad. Okay. I see a lot of plant-based dishes though, so you want to be plant-based, the Bob Marley spot is where to go. But I wanted ackee and saltfish. I don't think I ate any since I've been down here. So I'm just gonna I see something say the jamming jerk nachos. I'm gonna grab that. That's vegan. All right.
Ready to place our order?
I'm ready. I'm hungry.
All right. What are you having?
Let me get the fish fillet sandwich. That's one. And I also want the jamming jerk nachos.
Vegetarian.
Yes, vegetarian, yes.
Yeah.
And at least some water.
We have bottled water. Is that okay? Tap
What kind of water?
Water.
Is it purified or spring?
It is purified. And my water, the water burn out. Purified or spring water? Purified. One, mama.
I don't really want to put. What kind of drink? Juice, as far as juice.
Juice, orange juice, fruit punch, lemonade.
Surprise me with the juice. You're going to surprise. All right.
That completes your order?
What's your most popular dish? I don't eat meat, by the way.
Well, the popular one is curry goat where you don't eat meat.
Okay, curry goat. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, thank you.
The Beyond Jerk burger is really good as well.
Which one?
The Beyond Jerk burger.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, all right, which one should I replace? Let's see. What did I order? I don't even know what I ordered. What?
You ordered this, the jam nachos and the fish sandwich, but you don't want to do two fish. You want to do two sandwiches.
Yeah, you're right. So, take out the fish.
All right then.
No fish, people. All right, people. I had the waitress just surprise me with a drink. I don't know what it is, to be honest. It's red. I'm thinking hibiscus. Sorry, that's, you know? I was right. She got me sorry. Tastes good too. Tastes pretty good. All right, people, I was wrong. This is artificial sour juice. Why I say that? She said this is cranberry juice, lime juice, and ginger, and it give a taste of sour. I knew something was off, but I just thought it was commercial sour. It actually tastes like sour. Try it. Let me know if y'all ever tried that before. All right, people, this is nachos. This vegan nachos, though. You got black beans, tomato, jalapeno. I don't know if it says vegan, but I don't know if this is vegan cheese. But either way, I'm not vegan. But it said vegan. So yeah, what's it on? Got the banana leaf under there. My island folks know what's going on. It tastes good though. It might be vegan cheese. I'm gonna ask the girl when she come back. I can't remember if it said vegan cheese. If it said vegan or plant-based.
Nice.
These nachos are pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. But it's a lot. They give you a lot. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Okay. The main event. All right, people. The jerk burger's here. Beyond burger. You know, I know. It's plant-based, people. So I'll taste. Ten out of 10. Gotcha. Beyond Burger is pretty good. It's actually pretty flavorful. Even though I'm low-key against Beyond Burgers, but right now I just had to test it out. I had to do something jerk. So I guess it's jerk nachos. I had a fish sandwich, but I did the Beyond Burger. Plant-based. To be honest, it's really good. It is really good, actually. Shout out to Bob Marley.
Station following customers on Delta's flight 1957 on service to John F. Kennedy, Carl Davis, and Lucy Davis, please station your affiliation number.
This is a 10 out of 10. Everything is actually pretty good. The nachos, they give me a lot of nachos. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it. The burger, I'm finishing. A lot less.
Delta flight 1928 going into Atlanta is...
Like you can really taste the spices that's blended up in between this sandwich. They really put it together. They put the spices together. Tastes pretty good, man. You can taste the jerk too. Slightly, it's not too spicy, just a slight spice. For those who can't handle spice, pretty good. People, it look like we got a full flight. They talking about they collecting all carry-on bags to group 5 and 6. I'm in group 6. Yeah, I bought the cheapest flight. You're judging. I'm judging. I started this thing saying I'm picking me first, and I'm picked the first class. But because this was a last minute ticket. Oh yeah, I definitely picked the cheapest flight. Wait, I ain't had no choice. What was available. And yeah, I got what I got. I had to buy some liquor from the store, so now I got like three different things. Crazy. Let's see, but I'm waiting though. I got like another hour. Nope. Before we start boarding.
Oh, me too.
Whew. Guess who's home? I'm home. I'm home, people. Hold on, let me get it together. Let me get it together while I talk to y'all. Beautiful day. I'm back on U.S. grounds.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
I'm back home. Oh, do I sound sad? Yeah, I'm back on U.S. ground. Back to reality. Oops, there goes gravity. Yeah, I'm back to reality. A Jamaican trip was a quick trip, but I definitely enjoyed it. Update. I didn't even update y'all. My cousin that got in an accident. If it's not on this video, if you watch the video before this, more than likely, one of my cousins got in an accident after her event that she had, flipped over the car, whole nine, man. It was sad, scary, man. Definitely could have ended in a tragedy, but God was there. And God protected her. Thank God. Hallelujah. Update on her. She's good. We thought her arm was broken. X-ray came back. It's not broken. It just battered up. So that's a beautiful thing. She's a little sore right now, but everything's back to normal. She's good, and she's doing what she do best. Run her mouth, talking trash. But she's definitely on bed rest right now. Well, she don't listen, but she should be on bed rest right now. If you're watching, you should be on bed rest right now. Receive a lot of love, man. When you're a good person, man, people tend to show their love. She's a good person. A lot of support, man. The amount of people that showed up to that hospital was crazy. And even when she came home, because she came home the same day, her house was loaded, the whole community. But that's because she's a good person, right? She look out for the community. She's like the community mother, I would say. Yeah, so now we gotta get a new car. She gotta get a new car. She called it Betsy. Either way, man, Jamaica was a good trip, man. We enjoyed ourselves. Me. I enjoyed myself. Am I gonna be back soon? I don't know, man. It's a pretty good chance I might be, man. Jamaica is it's starting to become more and more home for me. Yep, it's starting to become more and more home for me. I more and more, I could definitely see myself living there. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna live there. Retirement for sure is gonna be in Jamaica, at least right now. Unless something else happens, God direct me somewhere else, say, hey, go to Africa. I'm going to Jamaica. Yeah, but either way, man, thank you guys for watching. Look, you right there. Subscribe. Like, share, comment. Drop a comment down there. Drop a comment. How do you feel about moving back to Jamaica? Let me know. Feel like it's a good idea, bad idea, whatever. Let me know. Either way, man, it's your boy Lando. I am the Mando. I'm out.